Hello. In this class, we will be discussing about the loop control or DDC, that is direct digital control, which is used in real-time applications. DDC is nothing but the use of digital computer in the feedback loop, as you can see here. See here you have used digital computer in the feedback loop. Here all the many different loops are handled by a single computer. See, this is the real-time process, and the output of the process is given back to the process by a feedback. That is, so in a feedback loop, you will be having a digital computer. So many outputs, that means a digital computer will be in a feedback loop. Several control loops are, see, this is one loop and this is one loop, this is one loop. Many loops are handled by a single computer, which will form, so which will be, that means the system will be highly reliable and it will be a critical component of the whole of the real-time system. So the real-time system should, here the DDC should ensure that there will be, even though there will be any failure of the system, the plant should remain in the safe condition. Even though there will be any failure in the system, the DDC will ensure that the plant will be in safe condition. So how it is ensured? The DDC will make the incremental changes to its input. So whatever the output of the process is given as an input to a DDC, so DDC will make the incremental changes and it will set points accordingly. So it will make the incremental changes and that particular changes is given to actuators to function. So A is nothing but the actuators on the plant, and this will limit the rate of change of the actuator settings. Okay, next, the advantage of this DDC is see, you can see here the DDC will replace a traditional analog control system with precise digital algorithm. So whole of the controller process this information using the DDC will be having some algorithm which will be used to give the incremental changes in the set points, and those set points are given to a, then those adjustments are communicated to the actuators which will manipulate the system based on the control instructions. So here you can see the advantages of direct digital control over your analog control. So coming to the cost, it is cheaper because you have seen the diagram that many of the control loops are controlled by a single computer. Coming to the performance, since it is digital in nature, it will be simpler implementation. It has a wide range of control algorithms which are simple, whereas in analog control the algorithms are quite complex and complicated. Okay, and accuracy is good in digital control, whereas when compared to the analog control. Diagnosis, in direct digital control there will be a built-in diagnostic feature such that it can quickly identify the faults in the system, and which will be helping in troubleshooting, whereas in case of analog system it may require more manual inspection and testing for diagnosis. So this is about the direct digital control.